Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into stormy. 18 adjectives with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Blowy, which means windy or windswept. Blowy. For example, a blowy day. Number 2. Boisterous, which means of weather or water wild or stormy. Boisterous. For example, a boisterous wind. Number 3. Rough, which means of weather or the sea wild and stormy. Rough. For example, the lifeboat crew braved rough seas to rescue a couple. Number 4. Furious, which means full of anger or energy. Furious. For example, he drove at a furious speed. Number 5. Inclement, which means of the weather unpleasantly cold or wet. Inclement. For example, walkers should be prepared for inclement weather. Number 6. Angry, which means feeling or showing strong annoyance, displeasure, or hostility. Angry. For example, an angry debate erupted. Number 7. Squally, which means of weather characterized by squalls. Squally. For example, squally showers. Number 8. Choppy, which means of a sea, lake, or river having many small waves. Choppy. For example, sea conditions are often very choppy. Number 9. Dirty, which means of weather rough, stormy, and unpleasant. Dirty. For example, dirty weather. Number 10. Wild, which means of sea or the weather rough and stormy. Wild. For example, a wild night. Number 11. Gusty, which means characterized by or blowing in gusts. Gusty. For example, gusty winds. Number 12. Nasty, which means of the weather unpleasantly cold or wet. Nasty. For example, it's a nasty old night. Number 13. Windy. Which means characterized by or exposed to strong winds. Windy. For example, a windy day. Number 14. Raging. Which means continuing with great force or intensity. Raging. For example, the stream could become a raging torrent in wet weather. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.